everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will go to Karlstad with my lovely wife, Daniele Vogel. She's making the shots today. Today I'm going to fix the damage in the windscreen, as I mentioned in my first video. Up here I have a very ugly damage that we're going to fix today. The company in Karlstad is called Ryds bilglas. Ryds bilglas. I have never before fixed a windscreen at their shop, but they have shops all over Sweden and people say that they are good. They make a lot of commercials everywhere about it. And today will be the first time. So I will not change the windscreen, I will only fix the damage, and it will be interesting to see how they will do it. So come with me, let's go to Karlstad. Now we have finally arrived. We have the car, it's over there in the black. Now I will go in, tell them that I'm here and see when they can fix my car. Here is Ryds bilglas. Okay, let's go in. Yes, that was very fast. Now I just need to get my car again and we'll drive up to the number 1. And they will, as soon as possible, open and fix my car. It's a very clean shop. Look at that. It doesn't look like normal. Very new. Ah, not so much oil and shit. Ah, but my car is still dirty because now I've been out driving too. And here we see all the different tools that they will be using for my windscreen repair. To be able to more easily see the damage, the repairman put a mirror on the inside of the windscreen. Very smart. Here I was a little bit nervous because he's actually drilling in my windscreen. But of course, this is to make a hole so we can get the glue inside of the windscreen. So it's quite normal, I think. And of course here he is picking with some sort of small, I don't know, pick to make the hole bigger. Yeah. The next step he did was to apply the glue gun. You see with suction cups, it's like sucked into, and he also put some, I don't know, some sort of vacuum. And this is the glue gun, and they will soon wait a couple of minutes and they will screw it down and press the glue into the damaged hole. It's difficult to see. It will be very interesting to see how it works. And this is the inside, the glue gun with the pressure. And the man said that he's trying to take out the air out with vacuum, so suck the air out of the hole before he puts in the glue, so it doesn't get any air bubbles. Hopefully, but he said that there's a risk that the windscreen can get cracks because they have a pressure and it's a damage. But he said that we will try. The damage was a little bit too big. Maybe I need to, maybe this year, change the whole windscreen. We will see. Oh, and look at that! Look at that cute face. Yeah. The last thing was to harden their glue or their resin with this ultraviolet thing. Now I will try to show you. I have this dirty old windscreen and it's almost like, there it is. That is all there is left. That small white dot. It's like everything else here is like, you know, it's dirty old window, but that is all. And it used to be like a 2.5–3 centimeters big crack around rows with a little bit of cracks going out, and that is all that's left. I will show you a video from inside too. And now, of course, I'm inside the car. And you can see, the small distortion there. The sun, how it moves, and that is the small glue inside of the window that is reflecting the sun. You see? And that is all you can see now. It's a small distortion. But that is all. But they're kind of cool, that reflection. And that is all that is left. And it used to be like a big mark here. I must say, I'm quite happy with this result. And that is all for today. It was a short video today, just for repairing the windscreen at Ryds Bilglas in Karlstad. And if you like this video, please continue the rest of the videos of my little project of restoration and maybe a little bit styling of an old Alfa Romeo GT. See you soon again. Bye.